What is the MHE Bazar Lithium-Ion Battery Conversion Kit for MHE equipments and forklifts? Let's check it out. Hello everyone, myself Ajit. I am working as a service engineer at MHE Bazar. MHE Bazar is a subsidiary company of Greentech India Material Handling. MHE Bazar is the first company in India to assemble and supply lithium-ion battery conversion kit to convert lead-acid battery powered forklift into emission-free lithium-ion battery forklifts. Over 2 years, we have successfully installed 270 plus conversion kits. Those are successfully running at customer site. You can convert any of your lead acid powered equipment to a lithium ion powered equipment in few hours and reap all its benefits. Here are some advantages of lithium ion battery: eco-friendly, fast charging, opportunity charging, more battery cycle, zero maintenance, high energy density, low self discharge, compact and customer size. We believe in innovations and introduced cutting-edge technology like MHE Bazar Lithium-Ion Battery Conversion Kit to the market, and also presenting first Indian multi-branded, multi-vendor e-marketplace for MHE solutions. Please check the portal www.mhebazar.in and call us to convert your traditional lead-acid powered MHE to a new innovative lithium-ion powered MHE. Please call us to discuss in detail. Thank you.